Your name and badge number?
My name is Officer Shepard with the Lake City Police Department. My badge number is 402.
402.
Do you have your ID so I can ID so I can put you in the car?
You're not getting my ID.
I'm not. Well, can I get your badge? I'm not your badge number. What's your name?
My
and your date of
badge
birth?
number is 1776.
Can I get your name and date of birth?
No.
No.
No, you're not IDing me. I didn't break the law.
You didn't break the law, but I see you said it right now. ID yourself. On the back, on your back of your license, you know what it says on the back of your license?
I know exactly what it says on the back of my license, but I'm not driving, and you didn't see me driving.
But does it say when driving? Does it say when driving?
That is a driver's license.
It is an identification.
It's a driver's license.
It's identification.
Florida statute says I only have to identify if I have broken the law.
Does it say that?
Yes, sir, it does.
Well, do we know what statute number that is?
719, I think. Look that up.
719. I'm gonna take a look at that one.
It's Florida's not a stop and ID state. It says if I've broken the law.
Do you know what subsection, anything like that?
I don't. I can look it up real quick.
Okay. I have to look it up myself just to make sure.
All right, guys, welcome back. This documentary dives straight into intense, real-world encounters where citizens stand their ground and challenge law enforcement officers who appear to overstep their authority. From the opening moments, tensions rise as officers demand identification without clearly articulating a lawful basis. The citizens involved don't panic. They respond with statutes, legal language, and calm but firm resistance. This isn't just confrontation for the sake of drama. It's about understanding constitutional protections, especially the Fourth Amendment and state stop and identify laws. The message hits hard. Knowing your rights changes everything. When officers attempt to assert control without reasonable suspicion, the dynamic shifts. Instead of blind compliance, we see informed pushback. And that knowledge, it becomes power in real time.
901-151. 706 is the
901.
.151. This is a stop and frisk ID.
Yeah, I ain't gonna stop and frisk you, man. I'm trying to identify you.
901.151.
Yeah, that's right. I just looked at that. I just looked at it. That's the one about if you're being lawfully detained and stuff like that. But
yeah, you have to be lawfully detained before I'm ID. I broke the law of not being lawfully detained.
That's stop and frisk. You must identify yourself. Whenever any law enforcement officer in the state encounters any person under the circumstances of reason, yeah, so you're right. You're right.
See,
you're right.
Words mean things different.
Yes, sir.
You know, you guys are held the same accountability we are. When you guys break the law, we think we can do it as well as in general.
I understand. All right, sir.
I'll go back to it.
Yep. You have a good day. All right.
Thanks.
No problem.
Huh?
Police department.
Why are you here?
Had a concern with the business.
Oh yeah? They can't read?
I didn't see him.
No, they can't read? I'm pretty sure they called you.
In the first major encounter, a citizen challenges an officer who requests identification despite admitting no crime has been committed. The officer references state law, but the citizen fires back with the exact statute, explaining that lawful detention must come first. Words matter. Legal thresholds matter. The officer pauses, rethinks, and ultimately disengages without escalation. That moment is critical. It shows what happens when authority is questioned with facts instead of fear. There's no yelling, no chaos, just a battle of understanding. The citizen remains steady, refusing to provide ID without reasonable articulable suspicion. And guess what? The officer backs off. That's the impact of preparation. When civilians understand the law as well as, or better than, those enforcing it, the balance of power starts to level out.
Because they don't like the freedom of speech?
Have a driver's license or ID with you, sir?
I'm not giving you ID.
Can I get your name and date of birth?
Nope. Have I committed a crime? Do you have probable cause?
No, sir.
Am I being detained?
What's your sign say? You mind just asking?
Huh?
You mind just asking what your sign says?
Says they screw?
Okay, is that really what it says, or does it say, I quote, fuck me?
Ah, that's an F with a star and a CK. So I could actually publish that on TV.
We'll talk to you. Okay, listen. You get the call, okay, with the sign, I get that you're upset, you're frustrated with that. Alright? If you want your cameras directly on me, that's fine. But I do like talking eye to eye, if you're good with it, okay? So have you tried to talk to them and settle the whole issue?
Uh-huh.
Okay.
I made it all the way to the CEO.
Okay, so this is the thing. Alright? We get a call, we get a complaint. You're holding a sign that does have vulgar language.
No, it doesn't.
Listen. Let me talk.
It doesn't. I've held this sign in 2 states and 3 counties.
Listen.
So now
we know what it means, right? We know what it means.
That does not matter. Vulgarity is a legal term.
Listen, I'm not here talking.
It's a representation of vulgarity, kind of like, you know, on TV when they go beep. No. Is this a consensual conversation?
If we get further calls, okay, because now that we know what your sign says, and it causes a disturbance, that actually is.
The second situation turns aggressive fast. A protester holds a sign containing censored profanity aimed at a business. Officers arrive after complaints, suggesting the sign is vulgar and disturbing the peace. But here's the twist. Offensive speech is still protected speech under the First Amendment. The citizen argues that symbolism and implied language are not criminal acts. The officers warn about disorderly conduct, but they struggle to identify a clear statutory violation. The confrontation becomes a raw debate over free expression versus public discomfort. Emotions flare, but the protester refuses to concede constitutional ground. This segment exposes a critical truth. Freedom of speech doesn't disappear just because someone is offended. And when citizens understand that, intimidation tactics lose their bite.
No, it's not.
I don't care whether you disagree or not.
You can't convert my freedom of speech.
Okay, okay,
yeah.
And it offends people, especially like if there's families. These are all examples. If
there's kids in the car, I close the sign.
But you can't see.
Yeah,
okay?
I can.
You know you can't see.
Okay? I can.
Right. How many people were in that car that just passed you?
I wasn't paying attention. You were distracting me.
And when we pulled up to you, you focused on us, and you weren't focused on the other cars. You're not focused on these cars passing you. You're not focused on these cars next to you.
That's because you're distracting me.
Right. When we pulled up to you. Okay.
No. There was a car right there with 2 people in it, and I was pointing to the fact that you guys are here, and they called you specifically to violate my right of freedom of speech. Yes, they did.
Freedom of speech until you offend somebody.
No.
Yes.
No, sir.
Yes.
No, sir.
Okay.
I did not.
So
there's no vulgarity. No.
Watch the language. Okay?
Well, you can go fuck yourself.
Okay.
Okay.
Right.
Well, there you go. See, that's the freedom of
So
speech.
we're going to talk to them if you step on the property.
I have not touched their property line.
If you step on the property, we'll talk to them. And if they want you to go to jail, you'll go to jail.
Well, you'd have to trespass me first and then give me notification.
Right.
Which is going to be harassment since I never touched their property line. Well, go ahead. You go talk to them, big guy.
All right. No problem.
And what's your badge number?
283.
283. What's your badge?
Now things escalate into pure defiance. In another encounter, an officer repeatedly demands identification from an individual who refuses to comply, using blunt and hostile language. The citizen, though abrasive, remains within his rights by not providing ID absent lawful detention. The officer attempts intimidation, ordering him to lean against a vehicle, pressing the issue, but no clear crime is established. This scene is chaotic, loud, and uncomfortable. But beneath the insults and tension lies a constitutional test. Can police compel identification without legal cause? The answer, in many states, is no. Even when the citizen's attitude is confrontational, rights don't vanish because someone is disrespectful. The law protects behavior, not politeness.
Which number? Yeah. So, are you under oath here today? Did you? No?
As long as
you didn't take an oath. No. That when you take an oath,
no,
you can go fuck yourself. You're an asshole.
Okay. You have a good day, sir.
Yeah. Goodbye, asshole.
What's up, Holmes? What's up, Holmes?
What's your name?
What's up, Holmes?
Do you have any ID?
What's up, Holmes?
Are you gonna just go with it then?
What's up, Holmes? What you want, Holmes? What do you want, Holmes? Go away. Go away.
a call about you.
I don't care what you got. Go away, man.
Do you have any ID on you?
Go away.
No, I'm not gonna go away.
Go away, piggy. Go away, piggy. Go away, piggy.
I see your ID.
Hell no, I ain't showing you shit.
What stands out across these encounters is a pattern. Authority often leans on assumption rather than articulation. Officers reference complaints, concerns, or vague disturbances, yet struggle when pressed for specific legal grounds. Meanwhile, the civilians repeatedly ask the same critical question: am I being detained? That question is a legal line in the sand. If the answer is no, the interaction becomes consensual, and citizens are free to walk away. If yes, the officer must justify it with reasonable suspicion tied to a crime. This documentary doesn't glorify hostility, but it does spotlight awareness. It shows how quickly interactions can shift when citizens demand clarity instead of surrendering rights out of fear.
You wish you could, huh, Gonzalez? Look at you.
Just waiting. I got all the time in the world.
Go ahead. Sit your ass down. Have a seat, Gonzalez. Have a seat. Go ahead and lean against my vehicle right there. Go ahead and lean against my vehicle right there, man. You got permission. You got my permission. Go away, piggy.
All right, guys.
Go away, piggy. I told you, you ain't gonna get shit, boy. Learn the law, bitch. Learn the law, bitch. Fuck off.
Please get off the sidewalk.
Fuck off, man. Fuck off. Fuck off.
Get off the sidewalk. What do you mean you don't, bitch?
Alright guys, here's the bottom line. These encounters aren't just viral clips. They're real-time lessons in constitutional law. Whether calm and composed or loud and confrontational, each citizen demonstrated one powerful principle. Rights must be exercised to remain strong. The Fourth Amendment, the First Amendment, and stop and identify statutes aren't just words on paper. They're active protections. But they only work if people understand them. This documentary is aggressive because the stakes are high. Misunderstanding the law can lead to unlawful detention, intimidation, or worse. So educate yourself. Stay calm. Ask questions. Demand articulation. And remember, knowledge isn't disrespect. It's defense. Stay aware, stay sharp, and always know the law before someone tries to use it against you.